Yeah, good afternoon, Bears Rod Shop here. This is quarantine Quickie number 6. Been kind of a busy week. Here it is on a Wednesday, and we've got mixed projects going today. I'm fixing to take you out to an old John Deere. I've got several. I've been buying them and refurbishing them, selling them. It's an SST-18, and you know if you own one of these, how miserable that zero-turn old 20-something plus year old mower can be. I'm gonna turn around. We're fixing to go out and get it. Today's, of course, the 29th of April, and we've had some severe weather move through our area, but so far a good sunny day today. So let's turn around and get the video. And this is out of a 240D on Tuesday. I got my nephew out. Got a gentleman down South Texas that needs to change over his TD wagon over to 4-speed, take the automatic out. So we've got him all the parts and pieces to do that conversion. So that was a good time spent. And all these parts will go to that young man. Now let's wander out here to this old SST-18. Here's another old John Deere here. That's a good mower, but it lost the motor. Everything else was in pristine shape. We'll get on that one as well, because this is mowing season. And so to stay occupied and stay social distancing, we're still doing what we can to survive financially. There's the old 240D. It was really rough. And under the tarp here would be the little diesel engine and, of course, the CJ5. So Brad, let's hook this up here a minute. And
show that one over there.
Oh yeah, there's another old clunker. That is an old 240. They were like mules. So that one runs. We don't know how well because the carburetor's in the shop. But we're gonna make this video real short. This is a filthy, filthy mower. I mean, literally. We have a feeling by watching old Terrell Fix-All that down inside here, we won't show you that, but we'll put a link on our video. Way down in here, we're going to probably find a switch on probably both sides that have a broke spring. But first of all, we got to clean this booger up. It has been neglected for years. So that being said, we'll come back on another video. I won't even try to clean this with air right now. My camera will be a mess. Anyhow, please subscribe, come back, and Quarantine Quickie 6. Enjoy and share, and get out there and get busy, guys. There's plenty to do. And there's also you guys, I understand, that are on unemployment. Of course, we're retired. We don't. Go find these old tractors. You can get them for $100. I bought that one for 40. I got this one here. They tell me the motor's worth 900. We don't know. 16 horse V-twin, but traded a little upholstery work on a golf cart. So you guys stay busy. Thumbs up, subscribe, come back and see us, and don't let this social distancing get to you. There's plenty to do. Come back and see us.